Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
This thing is gonna get destroyed the minute I put it in the car. I'm just gonna paint this black. I'll probably be using some primer. I'm not gonna fix it since this thing is probably gonna be getting destroyed the minute it gets on the car. But at least it'll start off black, all one color. And I'm probably gonna do the same for this one. So now that the diffuser is all cleaned up, I'm going to be adding maybe 2 coats of this clear effects, and I hope I get some good results because I really don't want it too crazy, but I think 2 coats will be just fine. Let's see how it's turned out. So I think 1 coat of this clear effects is enough. I don't want this thing to be too crazy. And next is the clear. So it looks all right. After adding the clear, it should bring this thing back to life, big time. Alright, so I'm all done spraying. This thing came out okay. It's not the best. I had to do a 2nd cup of mix. The first mix of clear that I did wasn't enough to clear the whole diffuser, so I had to make a 2nd one, and I kind of had to, you know, jump in the middle. You can't even tell, but this thing looks super shiny. And once it dries a little bit more, I'll take it out into the sun so you guys can see the clear effects. It definitely looks a lot better and shinier than when I first picked it up. So in a few hours I'll take it out in the sun and show you guys.
2,000 years later.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
The diffuser is finally done. It still has to dry a little bit, but it's okay to touch it. I'm not gonna like ruin it or anything. But check this out. This thing is crazy. I can't believe this thing was painted today. Like this morning, this thing looked horrible and I brought it back to life. And check out that clear effects by Dupli color. Holy hell. This thing's gonna look freaking crazy on the car. Can't wait to put it on. It's super shiny. It's nice and smooth. No dirt, no dust fell on it. So that's good. But check it out. That thing is stupid clean. So I still have to make those brackets. I'm gonna be going to Home Depot, picking some stuff up, and hopefully I can come up with like a little solution, little shoes garage brackets. But this needs to be dope. God damn. So let me know what you guys think. Looks pretty clean to me. I saw this one the other day.
Me, girl, I look like that. My breath screaming.
But I didn't know they had like meat over there.
It was called Rintoberfest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was a year old. But I think they do it.
The blue.
Yeah. Both looks.
Yeah, that's like the one thing that I didn't do to mine. I had everything interior, front, the SIR front end. So this is actually an SI with the SIR glass roof. It has a dual overhead. I get.